Hi everyone, I'm Kasia and today I'm gonna show you my average working day in Amsterdam. Today is a beautiful day and I'm just in Ooster Park walking Sadie. I'm on my way to the office. One of the perks of working Arup Amsterdam is free transportation card that you can use for commute between your place and the office. We are outside the office. I work on the first level. I will show you the digital area in a sec. I'm in one of the meeting rooms. I just quickly wanted to tell you what I do here. So I moved from Sydney to Amsterdam on LTA in 2022. I'm a front-end developer working in React and JavaScript. I used to work on Oasis report viewer. Recently I work on two projects, Air and Oasis deepen prod viewer. I start my day by checking if any of my branches were reviewed. Also, I go to the Jira board to see what my next tasks are. Daily, I have either 15 minutes stand-ups, planning sessions, or demo sessions. These are very helpful because they provide feedback from other users and team members. I really enjoy my work. It's very interesting and rewarding.
We are discussing new tasks for Air. I work on the front end, while Bente do the back end.
As I mentioned before, this is Oasis deepen prod viewer Jira board, where my tasks are organized. For work, I use Visual Studio Code and localhost. And when I'm done with my tasks, I push my code to GitHub.
We are in the cafeteria, traditional Dutch lunch.
We have some cookies in the office today. Lama, what did you make?
Hey. So I made some Syrian traditional sweet.
It's time to go with Sadie for a walk.
I wanted to finish this video with a short overview summarizing my LTA experience. It has been great so far. Everyone in the digital team was very welcoming and friendly from day one. I was given opportunities to work on very interesting projects and collaborate with people from other European offices. Amsterdam is a beautiful, green city with rich history and a lot of activities for everyone. On a sunny day, parks are packed and everyone's having a great time. I highly recommend applying for an LTA. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience.